Hey y'all, so if y'all don't know, now you know. I'm the owner of Exclusive Creations. The link is in my bio. A package came. I placed the order myself to try out the products. So I want to do an unboxing with you guys. Comes in this pretty pink package. Pink is my favorite color if you don't know. So let's open it up. Okay, I only ordered two things. Well, I ordered 3 things, and one thing was sold out. So stuff sells fast, guys. Okay. Okay. So let's see. So the first thing is a beanie. It's black and it says Mama. So all my collections are 30% off. So I got this and the next thing I'm about to show you for 30% off. And also I sell wigs on there too. 30% off. Free shipping over $75. Isn't this cute? Mama. Where my mama's at. Okay, so I'll leave that on. And the next thing is a piece of jewelry. So let's open that. This is what it looks like. My jewelry collection is also 30% off. So make sure you guys copy it. I'm about to open it up. Long nails don't care. I barely open stuff. So these are the earrings. They look like little seashells. And they're sturdy as well, okay? So cute. I'm about to put them on. It comes with extra security in the back for the hooks. So I'm going to put this on. There we go. To the other side. Don't forget, guys, make sure you shop. It's 30% off all collections and free shipping over $75. Isn't it so cute? I'm so goofy. All right, don't forget to check my website, Exclusive Creationss, and go get your stuff. Bye.